Overview. The 2025 BMW M4 high-performance coupe is all business. Dense, muscular bodywork haunches down over massive tires. An exaggerated but functional front aerodynamic appliance manages airflow. And a quartet of exhaust pipes announce the arrival of its twin-turbo inline-six engine with blaring intensity. Like the M3 sedan that it shares much of its structural and spiritual DNA with, the M4 benefits from the automaker's M Performance division's work on its engine and chassis. The base M4 comes equipped with a 473-horsepower twin-turbo inline-six mated with a 6-speed manual gearbox and rear drive, the time-honored configuration for maximum driver involvement, and BMW's decision to keep it on the books speaks volumes. The competition trim forgoes the manual for an 8-speed automatic, but bumps output to 503 horsepower. All-wheel drive is available on the competition, and for the 2025 model year, selecting AWD comes with a value-added bonus in the form of an additional 20 horsepower for a total of 523 ponies. For maximum performance, consider the CS model, which comes with a 543 horsepower variant of the engine. The M4's suspension is tuned for performance, and it'll reward you with stupendous levels of grip on twisty back roads and track days. Hello everyone, I only have 77 subscribers and I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the new year. Can you help me? Interior, comfort, and cargo. Though the M4 shares its interior layout and passenger space with the regular 4 Series coupe, it hews to the sporty side with a variety of unique materials and some race-inspired options. The standard M Sport seats feature improved bolstering with an integrated headrest and illuminated logo. Ventilation is available. Weight-saving carbon fiber front seats are available. The M4's steering wheel has been revised. The new flat-bottom unit with modified spokes available in either genuine leather or faux suede. Either way, the thick-rimmed steering wheel features a pair of red buttons for customizable M-Drive modes. Mild cosmetic updates include a dark graphite matte finish for the trim surrounding the dashboard, control panel, and cup holder as standard equipment. The cabin can also be enhanced with additional carbon fiber trim pieces and lengthy paddle shifters mounted on the steering column. The back seat isn't as roomy as in the M3 sedan, but the space is still genuinely usable for passenger duty. Opting for the convertible body style unlocks unlimited headroom. Simply lower the retractable fabric top. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 BMW M4 starts at $80,275 and goes up to $124,675, depending on the trim and options. The M4 competition makes a good argument for dropping some additional coin, particularly the 2025 xDrive models, which get a slight power boost. That said, we prefer the regular M4 for its manual transmission, rear drive, and comparatively compliant ride. We'd also opt for the lightweight and extra supportive M Carbon bucket seats, as well as the M-Drive Professional package, onboard drift analyzer and lap timer, and the M-Drivers package, which unlocks a higher top speed and includes a one-day class for high-performance driving.